Approximately 169 persons registered for the competition to take tests to the High Anti-Corruption Court and 71 persons registered for competition to the Appeal Chamber of the High Anti-Corruption Court. Whenever I had free time, I studied for the test. If I had an opportunity to do that at work or surely at home, I studied even yesterday up to the last moment.
Maybe 15 answers out of 120 are wrong from what I remember and what I learned.
Questions are multidimensional. Many fields of law are included, in particular criminal law, criminal procedure law, anti-corruption activity, and constitutional norms. Specifically, many questions are related to the decisions of the European Court of Human Rights. There was really little time to prepare for the test. Frankly speaking, I'm sure that I gave correct answers to 75% of the questions. As to the others, to be frank, I have doubts, but not because of the lack of time, but because human memory has such a tendency, we forget sometimes. I participated in competitions to NACP, NABU, SAPO. I already have experience in taking part in competitions. In this case, a person was given an opportunity to show one's knowledge, professionalism, and establish oneself as a judge to be or not. One should do something. You should do the thing you're good at to develop both professionally and for the state. We studied their dossier, their curricula vitae, after getting to know publications both in Ukrainian and foreign press, and after conducting interviews with each candidate.
Ukrainian society expects that the judiciary will be changed, that the judiciary will act independently, that judges will deliver justice. And the most important way, though, the most important method to reach this purpose is to select proper people to perform judicial functions. And I must say that I'm really impressed with the way how Ukraine is going with this process. The process which is very competitive, which is transparent, which is very challenging because judges and candidates for judges, they have to go through a very competitive and very difficult procedure. It's not only a test of legal knowledge, but this is also practical cases, these are also interviews, this is also checking of their psychological abilities and skills. And when I came here today to see the hall where the exam is being run, I was surprised, first of all, with the amount of candidates who came here, who applied for the position. I was also surprised with the number of empty tables, and when I asked why there are so many empty tables, I got the information that so many candidates failed the first part of the exam. So it shows that this is really difficult, that this is really challenging, and it gives hope that Ukraine will have judges as Ukrainian people deserve, as Ukrainian people want to have. So, and cross my fingers for the success of Ukraine, and cross my fingers for independent judiciary in your country.